Come on, son, get out of there. Throw it for her, honey. Throw it down the hallway. Don't tease her, just throw it. Throw it. Let her chase it. Throw it down the hallway. Throw it. Throw it down the hallway. Here, give it to Daddy. Here, give it to Daddy. Here. Whoa, good throw. Ready, Lola? Go get it. She slides on the floor. It's slippery. Get your toy, Lola. Get your toy. Throw it for her. Bella, throw it. What is it, Toto? What is it, Brayden? What is it, baby? Okay, come on.